My farm today. Yeah, the moment I got here, I had to quickly put some food down for them because I noticed the food they have. They gave them in the morning, they have exhausted it. So I just put down some food for them. The moment they saw me, they all get up and started shouting, letting me know that there's no food. They want food. See, they are quiet now because I've given them food. They are quiet, they are eating. So that's one good thing about these animals. They are very sensitive. So the moment you give them food, you won't hear them making noise. See? They are eating. Eating. See? Just see. Some just left now. See? Eating. See? And they like fresh food. They like fresh food.